Hey Bethany, um, I'm here to read the terms and conditions to you for Planet Fitness. Something I found out about Planet Fitness in little small writing. This is why I do it. Those little small writings that we do not read, and then we be surprised when they charge us $1,000 for a fucking pen, and we be mad. So, I'm gonna read Planet Fitness terms and conditions. I signed up for the Black Card, and I'm paying $30 a month. So, please read and understand this agreement before signing. Parties. Planet Fitness as previously defined, and you agree that by signing this agreement, you are purchasing a membership or services and agree to all the terms and the terms contained in this agreement. It's really small. The terms you and Planet Fitness include heirs, estates, agents, representatives, officers, directors, shareholders, managers, members, successors, affiliates, parents, subsidiaries, and employees. Both parties make this agreement on behalf of, and it binds all these included persons and entities. It is your responsibility to notify Planet Fitness of any change in your mailing address, billing information, or contact information. Representations. And I have to rotate this for a second because it's really fucking little. Okay. 2. Representations. A physical condition and no medical advice. You represent that you are in good physical condition and have no medical reason or impairment that might prevent you from your intended use of Planet Fitness's facilities. You acknowledge that Planet Fitness did not give you medical advice before you joined and cannot give you medical advice after you join. We do not give members advice relating to their physical condition or ability to use the facilities. So if you have any health or medical concerns now or after you join, please discuss them with your doctor before using the facilities. B. Liability for property. Neither Planet Fitness nor PF Corporate, as previously defined, is liable to you or your guests for any personal property that is damaged, lost, or stolen while on or around Planet Fitness's premises, including but not limited to a vehicle or its contents or any property left in a locker. If you or your guests cause any damage to Planet Fitness facilities, you are liable to Planet Fitness for its cost of repair or replacement. C. Entire agreement and enforcement. You acknowledge that neither Planet Fitness nor anyone else made any representations or promises upon which you relied that are not stated in this agreement or applicable rider. This document and any applicable rider contains the entire agreement between you and Planet Fitness and replaces any oral or other written agreement. If a court declares any part of this agreement invalid, it will not invalidate the remaining parts, which continue unaffected. If Planet Fitness does not enforce any right in this agreement for any reason, Planet Fitness does not waive its right to enforce it later. This agreement and all physical or electronic copies hereof will be deemed to be valid and authentic, and you intend and agree that such copies will be given the same legal effect as the original signed agreement. Membership. Your membership permits you to use Planet Fitness's premises, facilities, equipment, and services, and your dues are in exchange for such access, whether you use the facilities or not. Your membership is subject to all current company policies, rules, terms, conditions, and limitations, including but not limited to PF Black Card benefit rules, transferability rules, guest privilege rules, and dress code. Your membership gives you no rights in Planet Fitness, PF Corporate, its management, ownership, property, or operation. Planet Fitness may assign or transfer your membership in its sole discretion. You have no right to assign your membership or this agreement. Planet Fitness can sell memberships at different rates and terms than yours. Any special promotional membership or rate regarding privileges, usage, hours, benefits, or facilities is valid only at your home club, unless otherwise provided by Planet Fitness in a signed writing. B. Group fitness instruction. Planet Fitness may offer pre-scheduled group fitness instruction from time to time. The number of participants in group sessions may be limited. Group sessions will be made available either on an appointment basis or on a first come, first served basis. These classes are strictly informational and instructional in nature and not intended as personal training. PF Black Card Reciprocal Access. If you purchase a PF Black Card membership, there are additional rules and limitations governing reciprocal access, including the requirement to sign in at any visiting non-home club location. Reciprocal access is limited to 10 visits per month to a visiting location. Additional fees may apply if you exceed 10 visits to the same visiting club in a month. Each time you visit a club outside of the country in which your home club is located, an additional fee may apply. PF Black Card guest privileges and other benefits. PF Black Card members may bring one guest per day for free to any location. All guests must be 18 years old or at least 13 years old if accompanied by a parent, guardian, and must sign a guest registry. Adult guests must present photo identification when signing in. The PF Black Card member must accompany the guest and remain on the premises during the entire visit. PF Black Card guests are not entitled to use tanning or any other PF Black Card benefit or amenity. PF Black Card members must be 18 years old to use the tanning facilities and may not use the tanning facilities more than once in a 24-hour period. Tanning may be further restricted by your state and or local laws, ordinances, and regulations, which include, among other things, that you wear the protective eyewear we provide you and limit your time tanning to the maximum exposure time recommended by the manufacturer. You agree to abide by all such tanning restrictions. E. Transfer of location. If you are a monthly member, you can transfer your membership from your home club to another club provided you are current on your monthly dues and have been a member for at least 90 days. Prepaid memberships are not transferable. A transfer fee may apply. Membership freeze. Your membership can be frozen for verified medical reasons only at time of illness, injury, or medical condition. Your freeze may be limited to the time indicated as necessary by your physician up to a maximum of 3 months. Your monthly dues will be automatically reinstated at the end of your freeze and billed to the account on file with Planet Fitness unless you cancel your membership or you are approved for a longer freeze. Please note that you will still be billed for your annual membership fee when it is due, even if your account is frozen. They're going to get that annual membership fee that I just found out about, which is the extra $40. G. Non-discrimination. It is the policy of Planet Fitness not to discriminate against any person on the basis of race, national origin, ancestry, color, creed, religion, sex, sexual orientation, age, or disability. H. Changes to membership agreement. Planet Fitness may, from time to time, make changes to this agreement other than to your guaranteed monthly membership fee. Such revisions will be effective immediately, provided, however, such revisions shall, unless otherwise stated, be effective 30 days after notice. Your continued use of Planet Fitness facilities and or services shall constitute acceptance of these changes. I. Privacy. Planet Fitness and PF Corporate collect, use, and disclose certain personal information of members in accordance with their privacy policies, which are available free of charge upon request. The PF Corporate privacy policy is available at www.planetfitness.com. Please review the privacy policy before signing this agreement, as it contains important information relating to your personal information. Either may contact you from time to time by telephone, email, text message, or other means with information and offers related to your membership which may be of interest to you. If you do not wish to receive such messages, you can opt out at any time. J. Dispute resolution. In the unlikely event that Planet Fitness and or PF Corporate is unable to resolve a complaint you may have to your satisfaction, or is unable to resolve a dispute with you after attempting to do so informally, we each agree to resolve such disputes through binding arbitration or small claims court rather than a court of general jurisdiction. For simplicity and fairness, arbitration will be conducted on an individual basis in accordance with the American Arbitration Association's rules for consumer arbitration. By signing this agreement, you acknowledge and agree that you, Planet Fitness, and PF Corporate are each waiving the right to a trial by jury and the right to participate in a class action, either in court or in arbitration. This dispute resolution provision shall apply to this contract unless within 30 days of signing this contract, you notify Planet Fitness in writing that you reject this provision. Such notification must be made in writing, delivered to the club address listed on the first page. Rejection of this provision shall have no effect on the remaining provisions of this contract. 4. Rules and regulations. You agreed to follow Planet Fitness's membership policies and club rules. Planet Fitness may, in its sole discretion, modify the policies and any club rule without notice at any time. Club rules vary by location, and all signs posted in a club or on the premises and any verbal communication from Planet Fitness shall be considered a part of the club rules. Planet Fitness reserves the right in its sole discretion to terminate your membership at any time, effective immediately, for violation of any membership policy or club rule. Dress code. Planet Fitness strives to provide a safe and comfortable environment for all members. As such, Planet Fitness management and staff may enforce, and you agree to abide by, a dress code in all areas of the club. Clothing that may be perceived as intimidating, revealing, or offensive, as well as clothing that may present a safety hazard or damaged equipment, is not allowed. Account information notifications. Planet Fitness may contact you via telephone, email, text message, or other means from time to time for the purpose of notifying you of issues related to your membership or billing information, or for automatic payment processing issues. By providing us with your contact information and signing this agreement, you give us your prior express written consent to receive membership and billing related communications from us or our authorized delegate to the extent permitted by applicable law, including without limitation from Telephone Consumer Protection Act, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, the Rosenthal Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, and California Business and Professional Code 17538.41 17538.43. 7. Facilities and services. At A, this club membership agreement entitles you to access this facility if you have a home club only membership, or all Planet Fitness facilities if you have a Black Card membership. You are entitled to access during all regular business hours, and you have access to all cardiovascular, strength, and conditioning machines. Black Card members have access to massage chairs and tanning. Planet Fitness reserves the right at any time to remove, discontinue, repair, or replace the equipment available to members without any effect on this agreement. Planet Fitness also reserves the right to make changes to the type or quantity of equipment, programs, or services offered to members, and to alter the hours of operation in Planet Fitness's sole discretion. You acknowledge and agree that the equipment, programs, and services currently available at the facility are subject to change from time to time and are offered on a first-come, first-served basis. Planet Fitness regularly closes its facilities or portions of its facilities for repairs, modifications, substitutions, or improvements on a temporary basis, and also closes on selected holidays, etc., and such temporary closures will have no effect on this agreement so long as such temporary closures are reasonable. If your home club is permanently closed, moved, or sold, Planet Fitness reserves the right to assign and transfer your membership to another club within 8 miles of your home club in accordance with your rights under applicable law as set forth in Section 9 below. 8. Dues, fees, charges, and taxes. You have full control over the payment authorization and can stop it at any time by notifying Planet Fitness as set forth on the front page of this agreement. You are responsible for notifying your bank or credit card company of any error that appears on your statement in a timely manner. You must notify Planet Fitness within 60 days of a claimed error on your statement. B. Charges and taxes. Planet Fitness has the right to add to your prepaid dues or to your monthly dues any applicable tax imposed by the government, as well as any utility charges or surcharges related to the facility. 9. Cancellation rights. Buyer's rights. Your 5-day cancellation right. You, the buyer, may cancel this agreement at any time prior to midnight of the 5th business day of the health studio after the date of this agreement, excluding Sundays and holidays. To cancel this agreement, mail or deliver a signed and dated notice, or send a telegram which states that you, the buyer, are canceling this agreement, or words of similar effect. Such notice shall be sent to Planet Fitness, 26682 Portola Parkway, Foothill Ranch, California, 92610. That is the branch that I signed up at, so that's the one. So you found the one that's close to you. Planet Fitness will refund all the money you paid, including your startup fees, within 10 days of when Planet Fitness receives written notice in the manner described above. Cancellation rights and refund. Prepaid dues, startup fees, and annual fees are non-refundable, except for 5-day cancels above or unless specifically stated otherwise below. You may cancel this agreement if there is a minimum term or if prepaid, and receive a refund of unused prepaid dues if you qualify as follows. You are disabled or you die. Your disability must physically prevent you from using the club's facilities, and a licensed physician must verify this fact in writing. In case of death, your estate must provide written evidence. In either case, Planet Fitness will refund any unused prepaid dues and a pro-rata refund of your startup fees if you are entitled to cancel within your initial term. You move. Your move must be more than 25 miles from your club, and Planet Fitness is unable to transfer your membership to another facility within 25 miles of your new residence. You must provide written evidence of your move. If there's another club within 25 miles of your new residence, your membership will be transferred to that club, and you are not entitled to a refund. If Planet Fitness is unable to transfer your membership, Planet Fitness will refund your unused prepaid dues or cancel your term membership and deduct a move fee of $50. What? New facility. If you pay any money under this agreement for a facility that has not yet opened for business, you have the right to cancel this agreement and receive a full refund at any time prior to midnight of the 5th business day after the date the facility opens for business. We will refund you within 10 days of receipt of notice of cancellation. Notice and effective date. You, your estate, must send written notice and proof of the event within 30 days after it happens. Cancellation is effective as of the date of the event. If your notice is late or lacks proof, Planet Fitness may set the effective date when Planet Fitness receives the notice. Such notice shall be sent to Planet Fitness, 26682 Portola Parkway, Foothill Ranch, California, 92610. That is the branch that I signed up at. You find the one that you signed up. Cancellation rights for agreements $1,500 and over. Nothing in this section shall apply to an agreement for $14.99 or less. If your agreement requires payment of $1,500 or $2,000 inclusive, including initiation fees or initial membership fees, you have the right to cancel the agreement within 20 days after the agreement is executed. If your agreement requires payment of $2,001 to $2,500 inclusive, including initiation fees or initial membership fees, you have the right to cancel the agreement within 30 days after the agreement is executed. 4. If your agreement requires payment of $2,501 or more, including initiation fees or initial membership fees, you have the right to cancel the agreement within 45 days after the agreement is executed. If you are entitled to cancel under this Section 7C, you shall be liable only for that portion of the total agreement payment, including initiation fees and other charges, however denominated, that has been available for your use, based upon a pro rata calculation over the term of the agreement. The remaining portion of the agreement payment shall be returned to you by Planet Fitness. Limitation of liability. Unless controlling legal authority requires otherwise, any award by an arbitrator or a court is limited to actual compensatory damages. Specifically, neither an arbitrator nor a court can award either party any indirect, special, incidental, consequential, or punitive damages, even if one party told the other party that they might suffer these damages. Wow. Warning: use of steroids to increase strength or growth can cause serious health problems. Steroids can keep teenagers from growing to their full weight. They can also cause heart disease, a stroke, and a damaged liver function. Men and women using steroids may develop fertility problems, personality changes, and acne. Men can also experience premature balding and development of breast tissue. These health hazards are in addition to the civil and criminal penalties for unauthorized sale, use, and exchange of anabolic steroids. Collection of personal information. I think that's it. Okay. ABC collects information about you that is provided in conjunction with your purchase of services from one of ABC's health club clients, including information provided on your health club membership agreements and personal training agreements. Information about you is typically obtained from the agreement you sign with the club from whom you purchase services. Your personal information may also be collected from you when you provide information directly to ABC in any manner, or when you update account or contact information at the club or online. The information ABC collects about you may include your name, postal address, email address, phone numbers, bank account, or credit card information, audio recordings of phone calls with you or made in relation to your account, photographs voluntarily taken at the club, and email correspondence with you or in relation to your account. ABC collects such personal information about you for the purpose of processing and collecting payments owed by you to the club, to contact you in relation to your health club account, and to otherwise provide third-party payment processing and administrative services to your club. ABC uses information it collects to communicate with health club members, collect payments owed to its health club clients, and maintain up-to-date account information for members. ABC's privacy policy is available at https://www.abcfinancial.com/privacy-policy. This club maintains compliance with the state law registration and bond requirements of California Civic Code 1812.96. That is Planet Fitness terms and conditions. Absolute.com. Thank you.